Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. Some people think that the best way to improve road transport safety is to let the driver test each year. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Testing drivers on an annual basis is a matter of discussion as the number of accidents is increasing, further questioning road safety. If tests are taken on a yearly basis, then the drivers get a chance to update themselves regarding change of laws, besides retaining skills. However, it may cause extra burden on the test takers who may be inconvenienced, as if longer wait time for testing affects their day-to-day life. To start with the need of the driving tests each year, the tests will give a chance to learn about the changes in the traffic rules if taken place. A lot of countries keep on bringing amendments to the laws for the purpose of road safety, a major concern, and the drivers will update themselves while preparing for the test. They will revise everything to pass the test and ultimately become aware and vigilant. Besides, the tests can help drivers to retain their driving skills so that they do not have unsafe driving habits. Besides, the tests can identify the drivers no longer fit for the job due to age or health issues. For instance, in Japan, ordinary license holders must take a driver's license renewal exam every 3 years. The renewal term may be shorter for senior drivers, though, and they frequently need to take extra tests, such as a driving competency exam, to make sure they can continue to drive safely. On the contrary, there is a need to do a lot to implement this policy, which includes developing the infrastructure such as funding, space, personnel, and time for testing. The improper management or longer waiting time may be a hurdle in smooth functioning of the testing, which may have adverse effect on the driver's life. In conclusion, although the benefits of driving tests cannot be ignored, the alternatives can be considered as well, which include improved infrastructure, strict law enforcement, education, and awareness. The multifaceted approach must be adopted for the safety measures for a more comprehensive strategy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.